Okay, next problem. A large cylinder, PIP 1.4, weight 4W, radius 2R, lies on the top of the two cylinders, each having a weight of W and the radius R. The small cylinders are connected by a wire S, length 3R. All surfaces are smooth. Determine all the contact of the forces. So dito, kapag wala namang label, so lagyan mo ng label. Di ba? Mas maganda pag may label. So this is A, B, C, D. No? So yun yung mga contact surface natin. So dito, lagyan nyo ng mga forces, no? Mahalaga talaga yung free body diagram. So nandiyan dyan si RA, RB, RC, no? So nandiyan si RC, nasa loob internal. So una, so gawa kayo ng circle. So ito si 4W, no? So di ba kapag may 4W ka, ito si 2 radius, no? Oh, meron ka dito, 4W. So ngayon, in-isolate natin tong nasa top part, tama? So ngayon, meron ka dito, force. No? So lagay ko na to, this is RC, joke RD, and this is RC. And then, di ba pagka naka-point kayo dyan, so dapat itong mga center to center, i-connect nyo. So ngayon, ano yung distance nito? Di ba this is 2R, and then this is R. This is 2R, and then this is R. O, this is 3R, no? So, di ba, by i-connect mo yan dito, by ratio and proportion, no? Or gamitin mo na, ang tawag doon? Yung triangle postulate, no? So, given can two sides and then angle, no? So, this is 1.5 and then this is 1.5. So, ano yung height natin? Or kung gusto mo, angle theta, no? Kunin mo si theta, pwede rin, from the horizontal. So, you have cosine of theta. So the cosine of theta is equal to the adjacent, that is 1.5r divided by 2r. So magkano si theta? So that is equal to the inverse cosine of 1.5 divided by 2. Ay, hindi pala siya perfect tayong ganun. Ay, wag na. Pangit. Decimal places pala, no? Wag na yan. So, pwede naman, wag yan. So, kunin natin yung vertical. So, that is equal to the height. Ay, Barbie. So, yung height. So, ano yung height? That is square root of, ay, gopis. 3 pala to, ano yung hypotenuse? So, 1.5 over 3. Oh, 60. Maganda yung angle. Sorry. Maganda yung angle. So, that is cosine of theta is equal to 1.5r over 3r. 3r nga pala yun. So, theta is equal to 60 degrees. No? So, cancel. So, ibig sabihin, yung angle niya from the horizontal is 60 degrees. Ito din, 60 degrees. Okay? So, using summation ng forces horizontal, that is equal to 0. So, RD, cosine of 60, minus RC, cosine of 60 then, equals to 0. Therefore, RC is equal to RD. No? Using summation ng forces vertical is equal to 0. So, RC sine of 60 plus RD sine of 60 din minus 4W equals to 0. Okay? So, ngayon masolve mo na. Equal naman si RC tsaka si RD. So, you will get, factor out ko na lang in terms of RC na lang. So, you have sine 60 plus sine of 60 equals to 4W. Transpose natin si 4W. Okay? So, magkano na ngayon si RC? So, that is equal to, in terms of W, that is equal to 4 divided by sine 60 plus sine 60 equals, that is 4 square root of 3 over 3w. O, pwede na yung sagot nyo. Or kung gusto nyo ng naka-fraction, naka-decimal, pwede rin, no? So, magkano si RC? Muñoz M. Equal din yan kay RD, no? Kasi, yun na yun, no? So, i-decimal lang natin, 2.309W. So, yung sinasabi ko, pwede niyo naman na gawing 1 si W, no? Tapos, ibalik niyo na lang si W. Ah, dito, no, kapag, di ba engineering judgment, no? So, kung makikita nyo to, di ba, itong whole figure natin na yan, so wala namang ibang force na external forces bukod sa weight niya tsaka sa RA and RB. And then, makikita nyo symmetrical naman siya, therefore, si RA is equal to RB, no? And then, kapag nag-summation ng forces vertical ka, sa summation ng forces vertical is equal to 0. Ano-ano yung mga weight dyan? Nandiyan dyan si 4W, si W, tsaka si W. So, that is equal to RA plus RB minus 4W minus 2W. Kasi W plus W. Hindi, sulit na natin. Minus W minus W equals to 0. And then, alam mo, equal si RA and RB. So, you have RA is equal to 2RA equals to 6W. RA is equal to 3W. Na equal din yan sa RD. Ano yung sagot? Ano mahirap? Ano? Hindi, walang mahirap. No? Baka nalito lang kayo. No? Feel ko naman sa sagot nyo to. Na-overwhelmed lang kayo. O ngayon, isolate naman natin si isang circle no, para mapa-expose natin si S. No? So, di ba kapag may S ka dito, ito na ngayon si W mo, W1. No? Tapos, meron ka ditong S. Tapos, meron ka ditong RA, which is 3W. Tapos, nandito si contact mo, di ba? This is RC. No? Okay. So, si RC is equal to 4 square root of 3 over 3W. Angle, theta. So, gamitan mo na lang ng summation ng forces horizontal. That is equal to 0. So, S is minus RC. That is 4. Mali ako. RC cosine of theta equals to 0. So, ang theta natin 16 na. So, S is equal to RC. 4 square root of 3 over 3 times cosine of 60. So, S is equal to 4 square root of 3 ito yun, di ba? 4 square root of 3, multiply mo lang cosine of 60. So, that is equal to 2 square root of 3 over 3W. So, pwede na rin yan. Or S is equal to, i-decimal lang, 1.155W. Pwede na yan. Okay? Perfect. Checking ko ba rin ito? Yan. Yun lang po yung solution dun sa problem na yan. Imagine na 3 points and 5 points each, and the 3 points each, so 15 points. Sabi nung nasa tips ko, ganyan. Dali-dali. Eme. Series. Okay.